What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Caliber 24/7. Welcome back to my YouTube channel as I bring you this brand new video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about, or rather me showing you how to use TradingView. Now, I've got a lot of requests from you guys asking me what trading platform do I use. It's kind of different from yours because you are used to like what, MT4, MT5. So this is the TradingView platform. So before we get into today's video, can you please smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not, and don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a dope video like this one. So without wasting more time, let's jump straight into today's video. All right, guys, so what you do first things first is you go to, okay, let me just open up a new tab. Right there on your URL, you type TradingView, right? So that's that, tradingview.com. Click on enter, and boom, here's the market right there. Here's the platform actually. So what's happening? We have all these things right there. So I'm not gonna waste time talking about each and every one of those. We have screeners. I don't know what the hell is that, but the only thing we're interested in is like what, the chart, right? You can watch videos there. So that's some other people analyzing whatsoever. You can watch a couple of videos there, read up on other strategies if you like. The news, they keep you up to date, posted and whatnot. Another thing is, for you guys, you can sign in, because like I'm already signed in. You can sign in or sign up if you have not, then have a profile. Once you have a profile, of course, you'll have your name just like me right there, and you can always upgrade to 30 days free trial. And that's if you'd like to go to the paid version. For now, I'm still using the free version. It still serves me good. However, I will upgrade in due time if I do see the need for that, because yeah, why not? I mean, why not upgrade? So click on the chart, and this is what happens. So in your case, this is how you'd find your screen like. Okay, so in your case, it's like this. It's gonna be white. It's gonna have this pop out, and this is exactly how it will look like when you first start, right? This is not there. Um, so what I'll do is let me just try and find a place where I can, yeah, it's good there. So this is how it looks like. This is your trading view. So you want to hide all of this, just click on that button right there. You can hide it. There's alarms, there's news, data window, hot list, calendar, my ideas, blah 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 blah, going all the way down. I think, okay, cool. There are alerts somewhere around here. So the notifications, I think those are the alerts. They'll send you either an email or an SMS, depending which notification method you prefer to get notified with. So the ads are always there because this is a free version. Right there, we have your time frame, not time frames, but you have your pairs. You can just click on that, and it's on all. You can scroll down, look for whatever pair you're looking for, or you can just type whatever pair it is that you are currently looking for. If you're looking for gold, just type gold. You're looking for Nasdaq, you just type Nasdaq. If you're not looking for that, you can type US 100. You can still find it there. US 30. Any type of pay you're looking for, and there's different brokers, of course. So let me just go with so we just looked up NZD. These are all the brokers that they have, and the most two popular brokers is FXCM and Oanda, right? So most people prefer Oanda or FXCM. So we're just going to choose any of those, or you can just click on enter and they'll just choose a broker for you. In this case, they'll just pick the top one, which is FXCM right there. And this is my previous analysis, so I'm just going to delete that. So right there, you can change your pairs, or you can just not click anywhere and just go to your keyboard straight and type whatever pair you're looking for, like this. So you can see that's USD JPY right there, and I can simply click on enter or select any broker that I prefer right there. So that's how you change your pairs, right there. Right there it says 1H. That's where you click, you find all these time frames. Now you can use all of them on a paid version, on a premium version. On a free version you can only start from 1 minute all the way to 1 month, right? And on a paid version, you can use 1 second, 5 second, 15, and 30 seconds. And that's just how you change your time frames. And if you still want to change your time frames in a different way, you can just type anywhere on the screen like 60. This is 1 hour. You can type 240. That's 4 hours, or you can type 4H, still 4 hours. You can type 1H, that's 1 hour. You can type 30, that's 30 minutes. You can just play around with those, and that's just how you change your time frames, right? The compare, I'm not gonna get into that because you can compare different types of things, unfortunately, but I don't know how it works. So I haven't really put myself in such situation. I just compared this with um, S&P 500, and this is how it looks like. So I'm not really interested in comparing these two pairs, and I don't know what's happening here. But as you guys can see, we have now this orange line. You can do that on your own, figure it out. We have indicators. You want to add indicators. This is where you can add indicators. You don't see your favorite indicator, it's all good. You can still click on the search button, type whatever indicator you're looking for, and most people use moving averages. So if you can type moving there, just typing moving, and you already have a lot of moving averages whatsoever. So you can just moving averages. So here's the moving averages, right? And if you're looking for the EMA, just type EMA. You'll see the EMA whatsoever. You just can find every kind of indicator you're looking for. The financials, I don't know much about that. Templates, that's this, guys. That's your template. Let's talk about them, mention them somewhere around here, but you can still have them there. You can replay on the premium version, so you can like cancel this. Let me highlight. You can like cancel this whole part, right? And like switch it off and be like it never happened before, and start back testing rather your strategy from here, and then click on the play button, and then it will replay this movement that has happened until the current market. So that's what the replay is there for. All right, this one is for select layer unnamed, which is the unnamed chart. You can chart settings, you can just click on that. Change your chart settings, your preferences, your colors and whatnot for the candlesticks and whatnot. So you can just go around that. You can change even the time zone. You can zoom in like full screen. You can click on escape to close this, or F11. You can take a screenshot. You can publish this. That's that. Now let's get into the serious. Oh, this is your profile right here. You can have your profile and whatnot. So auto saves on every 10 minutes. You can just activate that, and it's active in my case. So yeah, and you want to change your screen to dark, just click on this dark method or this dark color theme, and then you want to turn it off, just click on off, and then the white one comes back on. So we have this crosshair thingy here, and we have this arrow to the side. So you click on this arrow to the side, you can choose whichever to use. There's an eraser, arrow, dot, and a crosshair, like I said. So in my case, I'm just using the crosshair. That's the one you'll also find. Right here we have a trend line. On this trend line, you can click on the trend, blah blah blah, horizontal ray, horizontal line, um, cross line, an arrow, vertical line, and there's info line, there's a trend line, there's all sorts of lines. You can just play around with those. And this is just a bunch of more indicators. This is where you can find your Fibonacci and all other things that I do not use. Right here is where you find all your shapes, rectangle, triangles, whatsoever, and you find this amazing brush. I'll show you what it's used for. It's more like you can draw, you know, you can draw whatever it is that you want to draw. You can write, you can, it's just a pen. It's just a pen basically. So yeah, that's that. On the T right there, that's where you type. You click on that arrow. You have a lot of other things that you can use. Right here, bunch of more indicators, you know, like your Elliott wave, head and shoulders, a rectangle, like whatever strategy you're using, probably like for the ones that use the Elliott wave, like the triangle and the head and shoulders, the M and whatnot. This is where you'd find those accurate shaped patterns basically, and yeah, they'll help you try and predict what's going to happen. And right here we have more instruments or indicators or tools rather. So this is for long position, short position. This is for your take profit, stop loss, and your entry. Longs meaning buys, shorts meaning sells. um Forecast, I don't know what that is, and all these other things. I only use the bar patterns. I'll show you in a bit. There's a dollar sign. You have a lot of emojis. I'd rather call them emojis because that's what we used to these days, but you have all these other signs. I don't know if you'd want to use them, but this is a measurement. So you know, on your trading view, not trading view, but your MT4 or MT5, you have this cool gadget. You just click on the middle of your mouse, the ball on your mouse, you just click on that, and it gives you this ability to calculate your pips or your points. Same applies with this. So you just come click on the measurement, place it wherever you want to start, and then drag it to wherever you want. And after doing that, then you have just about minus 3,172 points. So those are the points, and pip wise, that's 317 pips. Don't mind the minus sign, like we're going down. So anything that goes down is a loss, basically. Anything that goes up, it's profit. As you can see, going up, it just says 272, 286, and that's 28 pips, 0.6. So that's just how you calculate your thingy. Now you want to add the moving averages. For example, you've added your indicators. This is how they look like. As you guys can see, we now have a bunch of blue red lines moving across the thingy, the market. So how do you hide? There's an eye right there. Click on that eye, it hides everything. Click on that, it hides everything. So now what's happening is that done the zoom in, the zoom out. You can use the mouse, the middle of the mouse, the ball of the mouse, just scroll up and down. That's the quickest way to zoom in. And if you come down here, these just disappear if you put your mouse somewhere up there, and then as soon as you come down there, these reappear. So you can zoom in, zoom out, go back, go forward, and reset the chart to the original state. You know, sometimes because the moment you start to adjust your chart from here, it's no longer the same. So you'd find that now it's no longer giving you that feeling of the you know, that feeling, the feeling like you feel like a forex trader. Now you're struggling, you just need to keep readjusting this thing. Just click on that reset and zoom out to your liking, and then continue, you know, dragging this back and forth, and it's just that simple. So these are the magnets. Weak magnets, I don't know what they use for. You can lock in your drawings. Just click on that, it locks every drawing. Click on this, it locks every tools, drawings, whatsoever. Hide all drawings right there. You can hide everything, and you want to delete whatever it is that you've added on the chart. Just click on that, it deletes everything. And yeah, so that's just the basic of TradingView, right? That's where you find all the tools, that's where you find most of the things, and that's just how you use it. Now, how do you add these things so that you don't go back to that part, or yeah, that part of the screen, for you to just keep on looking for these things? For example, now you want to find, or you want to use the horizontal line, and now you just have to, you know, you were here, all of a sudden now you have to come back there, search for this thing. It's just a whole lot process. You just want to find your things right close to you right there, right? So as you can see, let's start here. There's a star right there. You click on that star, it will add something as your favorite. I click off that, you can see it just disappeared. So I'm gonna click back on, look at the end of the screen right there. It will appear right there. That's just how it reappears. You want to rearrange these things, you can just click and drag to where you want it, and just like that. That's how you add all these shortcut thingy. And let me show you how to use some of the things. So this is the bar, is it bar pattern? So you drag that to that, and it gives you this blue thingy to help you predict the future of the market. So in this case, I'm just gonna flip it to show you that this moves towards the downside, and this is how you can analyze and see. So it looks almost the same but not really exactly the same, but yeah, that's just that. So that's how you use this ghost bar thingy or pattern. This is the Fibonacci. Of course, you place it there, you drag it to wherever. That's just how you use the Fibonacci. I'll make a video and giving you a strategy based on Fibonacci, so be on the lookout for that one. Short position, right? So if you're selling and you click on that short thingy, place it there, the green part is your take profit, and here we have more information. So this is more like your entry point, because this is the middle part. So the red part is like your stop loss. You can just adjust it to your liking, for example, like that. So your stop loss is like 397 points, that's 39 pips, and your take profit is like 2,480, that's like 284 pips, and your risk ratio is like 6 times your take profit compared to your stop loss. So you are making 6 times profit than what you are actually risking. So that's a good risk ratio reward. Those are the triple R's. So this will help you, grow more with risk management and know what you're aiming for and what you're risking. It helps you calculate less of you having to calculate manually, take profit, losses, and whatnot. It does the work for you. Same applies with the buyers. You want to place a buy position, just drag your take profit, reduce your stop loss, or make them 1:1, make them equal basically. And yeah, that's just that. So that's how you use these two. Let me delete. And one more thing is the brush, right? Like I said, it's a nice pen right there. You can just do whatever it is that you want, you know. Um, Anything basically, and you can change the color of that by just coming to that pen right there. Choose whatever color it is that you prefer or you like, and yeah, that's just how you use all of these things right there. And remember, if you want to change your background to being dark, then this is just how you use it, and you still have all your settings the way they are. And the nice thing about the TradingView app is that, our TradingView website, is the fact that whatever it is that you analyze today, and you close your phone, you close your laptop, you close your app, you will find it whenever you come back on the platform, and you can continue from where you left off. Your trend lines will always stick to where you left them. So you know how MetaTrader moves those lines. For example, like you drew a line from the daily chart, and now you're dropping to 1 hour, and that line is all of a sudden crossing across your on top of like the candlesticks, and that's not how it looked like on the daily. So with this one, wherever you put your line, it stays there exactly. It does not move, it does not hide anything. You'll always see them, they are always visible, because MT4 or MT5, they have a tendency of hiding things, and sometimes you go back to your chart and you no longer find whatever it is that you had analyzed before. So that's it from today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy. I hope you did like the video. So make sure you do like the video, smash that like button, Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you do get notified every time I upload dope videos like this one. This is a basic video. Go check out more basic videos like these ones. I'll just put more links down on the description, or cards will just pop up right now on top of the screen. Yeah, or you can just go scroll, check on my playlists. um yeah, I mean, like, I have videos right here, I have playlists. You can just check out the playlists, see what I have. So we have basic forex and whatnot. Check those out. Make sure you do subscribe. I love you guys so much, and that it's been your boy Kaliba signing out. Peace.